J'espère que vous tous bien. Hello and welcome to Learn French with Megha. I hope that you all are fine. In French, you may get confused with these two verbs, savoir et connaître, because they both means to know. In English, we only use to know. Either we are talking about person, place, thing, or some information. But in French, we use two verbs savoir et connaître depending on the person, place, thing, facts, or information. So in this lesson, you will be able to learn where to use savoir and where connaître. Before starting a lesson, I request you to please like, share, and press the subscribe button. First of all, I will start with the conjugation of both the verbs because it is important to know the conjugation of verb according to the subject so that we can put right conjugation while forming the sentences. These are the subject pronouns in French, and if you want to learn subject pronouns, you can find the link below in the description. Conjugation of savoir is je sais, tu sais, il sait, elle sait, on sait, nous savons, vous savez, ils savent, elles savent. And connaître is je connais, tu connais, il connaît, elle connaît, on connaît, nous connaissons, vous connaissez, ils connaissent, elles connaissent. First, I will tell you about the savoir verb. When it is followed by an interrogative expression like où, quand, pourquoi, avec qui, etc. For example, sais-tu où habite Nicolas? Do you know where does Nicola live? Here we have an interrogative expression où, so it will be followed by savoir verb. Sais-tu où habite Nicolas? One more example. Savez-vous quand il reviendra de Paris? Here, interrogative expression is quand, which means when. So it will be also followed by savoir verb. One more example I would like to give you. Sais-tu pourquoi elle ne mange pas de sandwich? Here we have an interrogative expression pourquoi, so it will be also followed by savoir verb. Sais-tu pourquoi elle ne mange pas de sandwich? We also use savoir verb when it is followed by a verb to say knowing how to do something. Means when you want to tell about your skill, then also savoir verb is used. For example, je sais danser. I know how to dance. Je sais nager. I know how to swim. One more example I would like to give. Sais-tu cuisiner? If you want to ask someone that you know how to cook, then also we will use savoir verb. There is one more use of savoir verb when it is followed by a subordinate clause to introduce a non-fact or information. For example, je sais que Nicolas est français. I know that Nicolas is French. Here you want to tell about some information that you know that Nicolas is French. Je sais que tu vas aux États-Unis. I know that you are going to United States. Here also you know about the fact that he is going to America or United States. So you will use savoir verb. And also in the sentences when it is followed by que, we use savoir verb. Whenever we want to tell some fact or information, sentences are mostly followed by que. So when the sentence is followed by que, we use savoir verb. Sais-tu qu'il a gagné ce match? Do you know that he won this match? Now you want to know some information, then also we will use savoir. Now we move on to connaître verb, which also means to know. It is followed by a noun of people and place. When you are familiar with that person or place, means if you know that person or place, or you personally have been there or meet them. For example, connaissez-vous Lady Gaga? Do you know Lady Gaga? If you know her, you will say, "We, je la connais, elle est une chanteuse." Yes, I know her. She is a singer. But if you have never met her personally, then you will say, "Elle est une chanteuse, mais je ne l'ai jamais rencontrée." She is a singer, but I have never met her. It means that you have not met her personally. So you have to describe that "Oui, je la connais, elle est une chanteuse, mais je ne l'ai jamais rencontrée." Yes, I know her. She is a singer, but I have never met her. I would like to explain you with one more example. Connais-tu Paris? Do you know Paris? If you know Paris, you will say, "Oui, je connais Paris. C'est une très belle ville." It means that you know Paris is a beautiful city. Yes, I know Paris. It is a very beautiful city. If you have been there personally, then you will say, "Oui, je connais Paris. C'est une très belle ville. J'y suis allé l'année dernière." Yes, I know Paris. It is very beautiful city. I have been there last year. So if you have been there personally, then you have to describe that "Je suis allé l'année dernière." I have been there last year or la semaine dernière or whenever you have been there. Now let us do some exercise. And now you are going to tell me what we will put in these blanks, savoir or connaître. First one is il dash parle français. He know how to speak French. In this sentence, he wants to speak about his skill that he know French. Then what we will use over here? Yes, we will use savoir verb. And the conjugation of savoir with il is say. Next one is nous dash vos parents, which means we know your parents. Here we are telling that we know someone. Here we are talking about person. So what we will use over here? Yes, we will use connaître verb. And the conjugation of connaître with know is connaissons. And the last sentence is je dash qu'il est francophone. I know that he is a French speaker. Here I want to say that I know that he is a French speaker. This sentence is followed by verb and I want to tell about some information. That I know some information that he is a French speaker. Then what we will use over here? Yes, we will use savoir verb. For knowing about facts and information, we use savoir. And the conjugation of savoir with je is say. I hope that you have understood the difference between savoir and connaître well. But if you want to ask me some questions, you can ask me in the comment box. Thanks a lot for watching my video. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and press the notification icon to get updated of my new videos. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir. A bientôt.